I haven't done a channel update in I don't know how long, so I thought it might be about time to get down and do that. So here we go. Hi, I'm Tom Kovichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. This channel was created to help other modelers who are in need of guidance in pursuing their dream of building a model railroad. And I got 5 years on YouTube as Tom's Trains and Things coming up later on this month. And I was going back and reviewing some of the videos because I wanted to put some clips together to show you. And one thing that I noticed for about the first 3.5 years, I didn't do anything on the layout for myself other than putting together tower gas and showing you how I put that on the layout, and the series on the Gravely building, but that never made it to the layout. So everything that I did in that first 3.5 years was to teach you how to do model railroading, and I just ignored myself and ignored my own model railroading. And then I started getting into crossing Rock Creek and doing a little bit more on my railroad, but then that's when I had to move. But I started the module, which you can see back here. I got that, and back to basics. And right now I'm doing updates on the train room and how I'm putting it together. I'm going to continue with that on the module and the train room, which is together now. So that's going to be my project. And I'm still going to show you how to do things, but I'm going to show you while I'm putting my model railroad together. And in the process of that, I hope there's going to be some Arduino stuff in there and a lot more electronics, because I've been neglecting that. So as soon as we get these things squared away, that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing more back to basics on the module back here. And I'll show you a little bit more on preparing the train room. I don't have too much left to do on the train room. I had to make some changes on it, and it's going slow because of Debbie's accident. I rearranged how I was putting things here, and I had to move a lot of things out of my studio so I could get the wheelchair and everything else in there. But what we're going to do now is concentrate on the garage / train room, and I'll show you a little bit more. I'm almost finished. I just got maybe just a little short wall over here and run the air conditioning duct, and we'll be able to start working on the module and the rest of this stuff over here. Okay, that's a big area. I mean, it's almost as big as what I had before in Leakin Creek. It's just a couple of feet shorter, but it's just as wide, and I'm satisfied with it. We'll make it work, and we'll put something in there, and along the way I'll teach you what I know, and maybe I'll learn something new along the way also. Now, like I said at the beginning of the video, Tom's Trains and Things has been on YouTube for 5 years now, so I'm putting together something for that. Okay, I'm going to have a video on that. And the next live stream right before the 25th. Not sure what date that is on the Monday night, but I'll be celebrating the 5 years there. But, you know, I have been on YouTube for longer than that. I started all the way back in 2007. So there's going to be some bonus stuff on there. And I might have some stuff on my other channel also about, you know, my trials and tribulations and mistakes and everything else that I did on YouTube between 2007 and 2016, I guess is when it was. So that's going to be some of the video on there also. But wait, you thought I was finished. No, I'm not finished. You know, I do a live stream every Monday night at 8 p.m. And, well, you know, lately I've been missing a few. we'll be getting back to that as soon as Debbie gets a little bit better. I'll be able to get back on a regular schedule for those live streams at 8 p.m. on Monday night. And also, since I have the recording stuff in here and I have it set up for live streams, I may do some live streams during the week, early in the day also. You know, just to show, you know, what I'm doing during the day on the layout. So take a look for that. It won't be, you know, in the next month or so, but it'll be coming up as soon as we get everything situated in here. I would like to thank all of you who have participated in supporting Tom's Trains and Things from the very beginning and all the way up until now. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. I wouldn't be able to do this without your support. Believe me, I would not be able to do it. So I really appreciate your continued support for this channel. And I hope that there will be more of you that will join in that membership, become a train crew member or a superintendent or even an executive producer. And don't forget the Patreon page. And all the links are in the description. But that's what we're going to be doing on this channel for the next 6 months. And hopefully in 2022, I'll have another update sometime. But until the next time, we'll see you. Other than a couple of kits like Tower Gas, and that's, in fact, that's the only kit that I did put on the model railroad. I did I did another one. I did a series of another one, and I can't remember the name of it right now, but I did about maybe 16 videos on it, but I never put that on, one on my layout. Okay, I'll just forget about that. I lost my train of thought. Okay, well, hold on a second here. And I hope that okay.